Number 8. This is the Grappler, which has to be the coolest yet simplest name ever, because it does just that. It grapples your car by tangling a rope around the runaway vehicle's rear tire and stopping it with a heavy-ass police truck. It's also much safer than a pit maneuver, because it's technically a glorified dog leash that can pull the car straight. The Grappler has been successfully used over 600 times since its conception, most notably in Phoenix, Arizona, where the PPD was able to stop a kidnapper using the Grappler, saving a young woman's life. PPD? That's unfortunate. Number 7. Unlike the previous gadget, this one is anything but safe. It's actually really janky, because the only thing more dangerous than pit maneuvering a car is popping its tires at high speed while you're next to it, and it is as simple as it is stupid. The mobile spike is just a rod with some nails on it, which can be extended in a couple of seconds with the press of a button. It's kind of like performing heart surgery with pliers. Number 6.